Welcome back, guys, to the third episode of Cricket Ki Baat BV ke saath. We are shooting this episode right after the IPL finals, and congratulations to all RCB fans and non-RCB fans on the second title. कैसा लग रहा है?
Congratulations
Thank you.
to you and all the RCB fans.
On that part, let me just thank her on behalf of all of you guys who supported RCB. Thank you so much for not supporting RCB from your heart, because the teams you supported, they could not even make to the playoffs.
Excuse me, that's not true. I supported Hyderabad. They did
That
make
was a
it.
third team.
Yeah, but then they was in playoffs.
Yeah.
So
So that
and
was
they
a
were
third
performing
team.
really well.
That
So
was a
it
third
doesn't
team,
matter.
meaning your heart
It
was
does
not there.
matter whether that was the third or the fourth team. I
So
supported. They were in the
they,
playoffs.
they had your
I
33%
supported
support,
Gujarat. They were in the finals.
and they lost.
So what? See, you're not a good sportsman. It does not. Sports is not about winning or losing. It's about the spirit of the game.
All these philosophies comes when you lose.
Yeah,
Right.
obviously you will know,
You know-
because you have lost. You guys have lost for continuously 17 years.
Yeah,
So obviously you will know.
You can say that.
Okay,
You can say that. But from last 2 years, we are winning.
that's why you have become way more arrogant.
We are not arrogant. I think we are more humble now. I mean, there are certain people who do certain things, which stupid things, but you cannot malign the entire RCB fan base.
I am not maligning
We are-
entire RCB
we
fan.
are
I am only saying one RCB fan who's very arrogant. That fan is sitting just beside me.
I'm not arrogant.
His
at all.
arrogance level is
It's not arrogance. It's confidence on your team.
No,
when
it's-
you know.
when it become overconfidence, it becomes
Absolutely not. It is not at all at overconfidence. In fact, right before the finals, I was in a doubt. Beating GT in Gujarat was a challenge, considering the fact that we lost one of the game against GT in the same season, in the same stadium. And if my memory serves me correct, in fact we played on the same pitch 6, I believe. Same pitch, same ground, same team. We lost them in the league matches. So I was bit skeptical. To be honest, right after the eliminated two, during the eliminated two as well, I was very skeptical. Either RR or GT, both going to be a very
No, I think
both going to be very challenging opponents. But the way GT played, or I mean, I should
I think if
praise my team. The way we played in the finals.
see, here comes the arrogance. But I
It's a
think
confidence. It's not
if
arrogance. to be
Hyderabad would
honest.
have been there, it would have been much interesting game. But I think
They could not.
all the matches in the qualifiers were very
By the way, this proved one thing: Bangalore won, Hyderabad 3, which is the reality. By the
What
way,
Bangalore won Hyderabad. You got the two cups now. Hyderabad already had these cups.
you
So just-
keep crying about it.
Just shut up.
Keep crying about the.
I am not
past.
crying. I'm just telling you the facts. Don't be so arrogant, okay?
Okay.
About this.
Okay, all of that apart, did I thank you for not supporting RCP?
Yes, you did thank me, but I will remember this next time and I will. क्या करूँ यार, आता भी नहीं है दिल से support RCB के
We are
लिए.
safe, guys. We are safe. She cannot support RCP at all.
But let me ask you,
Yeah.
how did you like the qualifier matches?
I mean, qualifiers, of course, all of those were one-sided. I definitely love the qualifier number 1, GT versus RCB, where we dismantled GT
Stop
completely.
doing that. Just
Reviewing
stop it.
remaining 2 matches, I didn't watch with the thorough attention, so I exactly
Let's
don't know
not
what
lie,
happens.
Jitin. You have watched each and every match, not only the qualifiers of the whole IPL, each and every ball you have watched.
Okay, so being honest, all the matches were one-sided, to be honest, in the qualifiers.
Definitely.
Qualifier 1, of course, I wanted it to be a one-sided because I wanted my team to win. I cannot sit there and have the
Anxiety. You cannot take the anxiety.
I cannot bear the anxiety. Cannot go through those 3 hours to do the nail biting and all. If I support one team, I just want them to win one-sided. So for me, that was good. Another rest of the 2 qualifiers, I mean, it was betting carnage, to be honest. But the other team could not, the second team could not perform that way. I wanted those games to be more competitive, and I thought they would be more competitive, especially GT and RR1. Uh, but in fact, the SRH and RR1 was, I supposed it would be a very interesting game. One side you have Abhishek Sharma, another side you have Vaibhav Suryavanshi. But Abhishek Sharma did Abhishek Sharma thing. Did not perform in any, haven't performed in any of the important games
Yeah.
so
So I
far.
think that guy can't. Matlab, it might be too early to say, but looking at the stats in any of the high pressure matches, he couldn't perform.
I think he scored 50 in T20 World Cup finals.
I don't remember, but I remember altogether, like his performance in T20, that was not that well.
in
And
comparison.
and I believe it's because you need experience. I think he might improve that because it's very early in his career. But as of now, though, he's not performing in any of the high pressure matches. So for me, Abhishek was not the main.
I think we. I mean, I do agree with whatever your analysis on that part, that he is unable to perform in any of the pressure game situations. But I believe that was a mandate given to him from the team management, that you go and just dismantle the bowling attack, right? You go from ball number one, and when you have such mandate, when you have such mindset, it happens. You may shine, you may not shine. So I mean, I would not say that I will not doubt his betting style.
No, I'm not, but yeah, he
But
needs
yeah,
to.
there is historical evidence that whenever a team needs him in a crunch moment, he has not
cannot.
able to perform.
Yeah.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi, I think, is the find of the tournament.
We'll come to him later.
Okay.
Second thing is, tell me a couple of teams apart from the winner, not the winner anymore.
From the winner, KKR is there.
Wait, hold on, let me finish the question.
Sure.
So my question is, give me name of the team who you think whose performance was very unexpected. Like you had from our last podcast. After that, whose performance was like you did not expected it to go this way.
KKR, I think KKR is the one which surprised me a lot.
Yes, definitely.
When we recorded our last episode, they
So you were not considering KKR to be, and were like,
to be in the fight or the race for the
you were like,
playoffs.
oh, now that they are just out,
They're absolutely out.
eliminated.
Yes, I mean,
Then
Punjab and KKR has the
correct.
yin yang story for each other.
I
One
was
team
about
was
to say.
almost
Then-
about to eliminate, and one team was almost about to qualify. So KKR, of course, definitely won. Another
Punjab,
team
another.
was Mumbai. I had
Why Punjab? I thought you'll say Punjab first because nobody saw it coming that they will stop performing altogether.
yeah. I mean, of course.
Like it's the exact replica of what KKR did.
No, I think we have already discussed on the Punjab part. So
Okay.
Mumbai is one team where I had a expectation from them, although I never considered them to be a part of a playoff. Never wanted them to be part of playoff, but the kind of a batting, bowling, and the team they had, I thought they would
But
be.
when we had the last podcast, they were already losing and there was nothing.
But
But look,
we never. You cannot expect that the MI would finished 9 or 10 in
They
the
might
IPL.
have finished 9 or 10 earlier also, right?
Yeah,
It's
they
not the
have,
first
I mean,
time.
I think they have done
I
that.
think there's a lot of in MI. I think that MI, it's not about the players. They have a very good team. It's all about the management. But that's what my thought is. It is not about the players. They had a very toxic environment, I felt.
I have no idea, no comment on
The
that.
kind of things that we saw on the ground. भाई हार्दिक के साथ तो पता नहीं क्या ही है उसका तो
CSK also surprised me a lot. I mean,
they did perform good.
I remember clearly in the last episode I talked about the two young people they have signed,
Yes.
Prashant Veer and Karthik Sharma. Prashant Veer was not able to perform that much, but Karthik Sharma came out to be a really great signing
Asset.
for CSK. Another one is Urvil Patel. Interesting fact about Urvil Patel was I think in 2024 he was sold to GT Then throughout the season, he did not play even a single ball. Then in 2025 season, he was unsold. Then later on, CSK signed some guy. I don't remember his name. He got injured, and then as a replacement to that particular person, Urul Patel was invited to join the team, and the wonders he has done for CSK, everybody knows. Now he becomes the star player for CSK.
Since you have mentioned that, and were mentioning Vaibhav Suryavanshi earlier, so he got a lot of awards, but one of the award which we should talk about is the emerging player. So
Emerging player.
I would say that he was one of the player, or he was the best, you could say, emerging player with the stats that he have performed. But apart from that, also there were a lot of other cricketers as well. They might not have got recognized by giving the awards, but there were other players in the different team, right? One you were talking about,
Urvil Patel.
Urvil Patel. There might be others as well who
There is one for the Punjab. I don't remember his name.
batter or bowl.
He's a batter. He's a batter. He
Prabh Simran.
No, not Prav Simran. Prav Simran has become although he is uncapped for India, but he has already played 2 or 3 seasons for the IPL. Shidige, I'm butchering his name, I know.
I
But
don't-
that guy is really impressive. He has the capacity to clear ball with ease. And I think after Prabh Simran, Priyansh Arya,
Priyansh Arya.
Shreyas Iyer, he was the one who was consistently hitting for Punjab. He get a chance in the second half. He is one which really impressed
We're
me.
looking forward to it the next
Yes, I'm looking forward to seeing next season.
season.
Ramakrishna Ghosh, although unfortunately he only played one game, but kind of a build he has, the capability or the skill set he possesses, I am definitely looking toward him. Prince Yadav is of course one.
He's in which team?
Prince Yadav in LSG. He's a really decent find for LSG this season. He's a bowler. Interesting fact about him is I think under 19 he was playing for UP or maybe for India. I'm not sure exactly. But then BC side found out, or the state board found out, that he forged his age certificate.
Dropped out.
So he was dropped, banned from
Did he
playing cricket for.
forged it, or was it like a UP thing which usually happen where you put
No,
your age?
technically, it was sort of a UP thing, but then later on, when the investigation happened, it found out it was established that he is
Okay.
actually 2 year older than whatever the number is written on the certificate. He was banned from playing cricket for 2 years, and then he came out, joined Delhi team in the domestic circuit, and then doing wonders for LSG. Saqib Hussain is another important.
He's that player from Kashmir.
No, Saqib Hussain is from.
He's in
Bihar.
Hyderabad.
He's in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, I remember.
Aqib
he-
Naib, of course. I definitely want him to do a lot of wonders for not only for his own franchise DC, but for the Team India as well. I do want to see him in the baggy blue. One day and T20 is absolutely fine, but he should play at least Test. Apart from that, who else do you think?
You are the expert. I just
I'm not expert. I just
between you and me.
between you and me, yes. So yeah, I think that is all.
And coming to the star player of the IPL.
Suryavanshi. Suryavanshi, I believe we should give him chance, at least in T20I, but I do not see a position as of now because he's good at opening. So until and unless Sanju again sacrifices his opening slot, I don't
I
see.
don't think so. See, I did not even consider that he'll be given a chance in the international T20. He must. He's a good player. But right now, as you said, there is no position. And I actually personally don't want Sanju Samson to leave his opening position, because if India won T20 World Cup, it's because of Sanju Samson. And as the king of the cricket said, कि तुम कुछ भी कर लो, experience तो काम आता ही है.
Exactly.
Experience does matter, which Sanju Samson definitely has. So all the young players are good. I'm not saying, but then you can suddenly do not see. That's exactly what happened with Abhishek. Okay, he's a good player, but you cannot expect from a very matlab, a newcomer to take such a burden, because I believe those matches are very high pressure games.
Yes.
It's more of performing it physically. It's a mental game as well. You have to be mentally strong.
More important than the high pressure thing is also about the spice in the pitch. So if you play international, I'm not talking about the bilateral series, I'm talking about the ICC series or any championship trophies. So when you go and play there where the pitch is made by ICC, you will get some spice. Now, I might be so critical of Vaibhav Suryavanshi here, but when you see the Under-19 World Cup, apart from that, there was also an emerging Asia Cup where he was a part of the team, and he was not able to perform consistently in all the games. In 1 or 2 games, he might have scored. I think not might have, he has scored. But one player which was really caught my eye was Bigyan Kundu or Pragyan Kundu. He was a left-handed batsman, wicket keeper, and he has scored runs in such a situation where pressure was like a pressure cooker type of a situation, and still he scored runs, took his team at home. So I think I see him more in the Indian blue colors and shining than that of Vaibhav Suryavanshi. I'm nowhere doubting his skill set. He has one of the best hand-eye movement, and the whip of his hand. I mean, the way his arm moves is one of the best of whatever cricket that I have seen. I mean, I cannot comment on the 80s or 90s ka player. I started watching cricket from 2000 onwards. So from now till date, I think he has one of the best hand motion. I mean, the way bat swing is the right term. But the kind of temperament which is required in the cricket, the kind of the brain or the mental strength is required in the game. I think Pragyan Kundu is one which has great or shown a great character in that particular area.
Okay. So, okay. Next, what IPL is over?
Now, India will play.
Let's move from cricket a bit. FIFA is coming.
I have zero idea about FIFA except Ronaldo play for Portugal, and I support Portugal.
I support.
And Ronaldo is.
Let's support another. And I will not
Ronaldo is
support Messi.
the best player in the world.
I will not support Messi or Ronaldo. I will support the third player.
Neymar.
No.
Mbappe from France.
Yes.
He's basically a fan of Ronaldo.
Okay. That's okay. But I'll support.
Then support the original. No, why are you supporting the copy?
I don't want to. It's my choice who I will support. You will not tell me who to support. Okay. So having said that, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Congratulations
for the RCB win, and please give me a party.
Of course.
If I have to take so much of your globe things, I would prefer a party, please.
I mean, after the way people were suppressing us, undermining us throughout the season, questioning our capabilities, after that, winning a trophy, little bit of gloating is...
Nobody was undermining you.
No, please.
We were just saying we don't want you to win because I want my team to win.
You said RCB to cannot win.
Because... Dude, I was supporting Punjab. Okay. By the time Punjab had...
I was supporting RCB. I never said that Punjab cannot win. But I said Punjab can win, but RCB has a better chances.
No, that's your problem. Okay. Because you are diplomatic.
And then you call me arrogant.
I was supporting Punjab. So I will say that Punjab will win. Why will I say, oh, RCB can also win? No, RCB cannot win.
There is a different statement. When I say RCB...
The statement is simple. The team I'm supporting, I will...
See guys, this is what reality is. People call us arrogant, but they cannot even accept that apart from their team, other teams are playing good cricket. At least
never
I
said
have the
that.
decency
I never
throughout the
okay.
season to
Okay,
accept
no,
the
hold on. As I mentioned earlier, I have appreciated all the other teams who are
Except
playing
RCB.
good. Yes, and that's only because of you. Okay, because the moment I started saying, you know what, they are playing good, you were like, वो वही बात है ना, उंगली पकड़ाओ तो सर पे चढ़ के नाचते हो.
Great. I mean, I think that was the only reason, one of the reasons, sorry, not the only, one of the reason because of which RCB became the second champion. If you have supported RCB even from the chotu sa, from your heart, we might be crying this time.
Whatever.
We might not be recording this podcast.
Guys, please do let us know in the comment section which team you wanted.
To win?
Yeah, to
They
win.
all wanted to win RCB.
No, please.
They all are RCB fans.
You really think everybody who's watching your video is an RCB fan?
Yes.
Oh my god.
You
are a
I'll tell you a
huge
very interesting fact. I posted one of the video where I was bowling and another player got out. He got bowled. And you know what comment I received there? भैया RCB जीत गई.
You just met another person or another RCB fan
I think-
like you.
I think 4 or 5 players in my team in Akatsuki are RCB fan. Like they're diehard fan.
Okay.
Okay, so with this we came to an end to the episode 3 of Cricket Ki Baat BV ke saath. We'll see when we are coming next. Nothing planned as of now. FIFA World Cup is here. We have zero knowledge, knowledge on FIFA.
You have zero knowledge. I have knowledge, guys.
Okay, she has a knowledge, so she'll teach us everything. What is offside rule in FIFA football?
But I'll teach you next time.
Okay, with this we came to an end. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
Do like the video, share your thoughts. Do let us know which team you
And
supported.
subscribe.
Of course, subscribe and do let us know which team you supported, whether RCB fans are arrogant or not. Thank you so much.
No. Let's don't quote me wrong. I mentioned not all the RCB fans are arrogant, but the one sitting beside me, he's definitely arrogant.
Okay. Thank you so much. Do subscribe. Do let us know how we can improve. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.